In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a rectangle in Adobe Premiere Pro's Essential Graphics panel. Rectangles are incredibly useful for building clean lower thirds, callouts, or subtle backgrounds that make text easier to read. We'll start by opening the right panel, add a shape, then fine-tune its look and placement so it fits your scene perfectly. First, open the Essential Graphics panel, go to the top menu and choose Window, then select Essential Graphics. If you don't see it at first, make sure you're in the editing workspace or any layout where panels are visible. Keep the program monitor visible too, because that's where you'll see the shape as you build it. Next, create the shape. In the Essential Graphics panel, click New Layer, then choose Rectangle. Premiere Pro will automatically add a rectangle to your program monitor and create a graphic item in your timeline. If the rectangle doesn't show handles, make sure the shape layer is selected in the Essential Graphics panel or in the timeline so you can edit it directly on screen. Now customize the appearance. In the Appearance section of the Essential Graphics panel, set your fill. You can choose a solid color for a clean look, switch to a gradient for a bit more depth, or remove the fill entirely if you only want an outline. Then set the stroke to add an outline around the rectangle. Adjust the thickness to make it subtle or bold, and pick a color that complements your footage. Use opacity to control how transparent the shape is. Lower values help the underlying video show through without overpowering your content, which is great for backgrounds behind titles. When it's time to size and position the rectangle, use the selection tool to drag it where you want and pull the corners to resize. This is the quickest way to match the shape to your layout. For precise control, select the rectangle layer and open effect controls. There you can dial in position and scale numerically, which is helpful when you need exact alignment or consistent sizing across multiple shots. That's it. Open Essential Graphics, add a rectangle, customize the fill, stroke, and opacity, then place and size it with either the selection tool or the effect controls.